Hi, my name is Dale Davidson, and I'm with the Davidson Law Offices here in Southwest Georgia and North Florida, and we're here today to talk about VA pension or VA aid and attendance. Now, why haven't you heard about this? Guess what? Little secret. The government doesn't want you to know about it. What's interesting here is less than 5% of the veterans and the spouses of those veterans who are eligible to receive this benefit receive the benefit. But what we do is we help cut through the red tape. And that's what we're here today to kind of explain a little bit about the VA processes here and this benefit. But just know that there's basically 4 criteria. Number 1, you have got to have been honorably discharged. Now, if you weren't honorably discharged, or less that you received less than an honorable discharge, that's not necessarily a disqualifying event. It's just that we may have to jump through some hoops to get you qualified. Number 2, you've got to have served during a qualifying wartime period. Now, we've got the qualifying wartime periods as World War I, World War II, the Korea conflict, which was June 27th, 1950 to January 31, 1955. Then you have Vietnam. Now, there's some special dates with respect to Vietnam, but basically it's between February 2nd, 1961 to May 7th of 1975. Now, here comes the twist with Vietnam now. You must have been in country in Vietnam, okay, between February 28th of 1961 and August 5th of 1964 to be eligible for this benefit, okay? So you have got to have been boots on the ground. So you don't have, except for this special time in Vietnam, you did not have to be in country. You could have been in Ellison Air Force Base in the North Pole in Alaska. Okay, you could have been in Diego Garcia, which is a tiny atoll in the Indian Ocean. It's almost 1,000 miles southwest of India, but you were in during those wartime periods and you qualify. Okay, number 3, you've got to have activities of daily living, and we're going to have a separate video on activities of daily living to explain exactly what those are. And then number 4, you have got to have your income. There's an income test and an asset test. And again, we'll have a separate video on that also. But just know, no injury required for this benefit. It is a benefit that you and your spouse earned for his or her time service during those wartime periods. Now, how much is this benefit? Okay, for this year, the year 2020, a couple is about $2,130 to $2,200 per month. Again, income tax free for life. A single veteran, that figure goes down to about $1,850 per month. Again, income tax free for life. But here's the kicker. If you're the spouse of the veteran, you also can qualify for this benefit of about $1,325 a month. Again, income tax free for your lifetime on a monthly basis. Now, that's a lot of money that you could use to bring somebody into your home to help cook, clean, and take care of you. Because our goal is for you and your loved ones to be independent, safe, and secure. Hopefully in your own home. But if you can't be at home without help, then independent living or assisted living is the way to go. And this benefit goes a long way to paying those bills. We don't want you to be in a skilled nursing home. In fact, this benefit really doesn't help you or your loved one if you're in a nursing home. So, to recap, you've got to have an honorable discharge. You've got to serve during a qualifying wartime period. And remember the special dates with respect to Vietnam. For Vietnam, you'd had to be in boots on the ground between February 28, 1961 and August 5th, 1964 in order to qualify. Any other time you could have been anywhere else in the world serving our great country. Then you've got to have activities of daily living, and we'll talk about that in a separate video. And then you have an income and asset test that you got to meet. Again, we're going to be going over that in a separate video also. So remember, in this world of turmoil today, go out and make differences in somebody's lives. Thank you.